In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Figma files. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your work, set the right level of access, and grab a link you can confidently send to teammates or stakeholders. First, head to Figma. You can use the web app in your browser or the desktop app, whichever you prefer. Make sure you're signed into the correct workspace so you see the right projects. If you have a lot of content, use the search bar at the top to quickly find what you need. Next, open the project you want to share. In Figma, projects are like folders that contain multiple files. If your goal is to share everything in that project with the same audience, opening the project is perfect. If you only intend to share a single file inside that project, take a second to open that specific file before you proceed. This avoids giving broader access than you mean to, and keeps your audience focused on exactly what they need to see. Now look to the top right corner and click the Share button. This is your control center for permissions. It's always worth double-checking the title at the top of the window so you know whether you're sharing the project as a whole or just the active file. In the Share dialog, choose the access that fits your situation. You'll typically see options like only people you invite, anyone in your organization, or anyone with the link. Beneath that, you can control what people can do: view, comment, or edit. For most reviews, can view or can comment is the safest choice because it prevents accidental changes while still letting people look around or leave feedback. Reserve can edit for trusted collaborators who need to make updates. If your organization requires it, you can restrict access to members of your company domain so the link won't work outside your team. A quick tip: if you're sharing a prototype, these same permissions apply, but viewers will land in the prototype after you publish or present it. When the access looks right, click Copy Link. That places a secure share URL on your clipboard. Paste it into your chat, email, or project management tool, and you're done. If you ever need to change who can open that link, just return to the Share button and adjust the permission or switch the link back to restricted. The change takes effect immediately, so you stay in control. That's all there is to it. Open Figma, choose your project or file, click Share, set the right access, and copy the link. Keep permissions tight by default, open them only when needed, and you'll share confidently every time.